YouTube,
Yeah.
YouTube.
Run out of memory there.
I haven't run out of space yet. A couple
Okay,
gigs
so-
in this bad boy.
In-roll
Just
data.
grab an ad and then tell.
Well,
No,
let
but
me-
he,
let me see what they got.
Yeah, I can upload them.
And then you can just kind of turn the packs off, right? So
Well, when
it
you
doesn't
do
get sent.
reconstruction, it won't automatically send when you do recons.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
It only actually, yeah, it doesn't automatically send when you do recons unless you hit the button to do so. So here's this Edwin Pasqua. There's the helical. How do I know the difference? What is this? Why is that a scout? You're right. But why are you right? Because right here it
It's the
says
first scan,
Oh,
right?
the first scan. That's right. It says FL, not FC. FC is always a round reconstruction. FL is a
Linear?
straight- Yeah, like linear. That's right. Very good.
Circular and linear, huh?
There you go.
Sweet. Go figure.
I was thinking
Yeah.
loaf and not cut.
Loaf?
And not cut. It's a loaf bread, not a cut slice.
Oh, yeah, I was thinking that too.
And then your mode here says SC for Scano. When I click on it here, the mode. See that?
273.
And I want this helical. So you must be specific.
So you just click on the FC.
Okay, now, top to bottom, left to right, and then you won't forget anything. Muscat and Teacut. Anyone know about this? Teacut is what you'll use 99.9% of the time. Teacut is thin cuts or tilt. So you can do thin cuts with this, and if you have a tilt, you can also work with this one. Muscat cannot account for tilt, but it is faster, but you can only get thick slices out of it. So you're always going to be on Teacut. This represents your raw data. Start and end, right? I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to go to the last rib. And rather than typing in this number here, I'm just going to hit image selector here, right next to S. You see that? I'm going to end right there. So now I've kind of come in on the raw data where I want to be. Now I'm not going to bother making 3s and then make, 0.5s for the sagittals and coronals. Just make the volume right off the bat because it's faster to create axials in MPR than it is in raw data. So I'm just going to, all I'm going to do here is I'm just going to make a volume. Now, when you go to 2 millimeters or under here, it always checks this box. But let's say you want 1x1s, but not in the volume. What can you do?
Uncheck the box.
Here's you got it. Yep, uncheck that box. Just like that. Now that'll just give you 1x1 regular images. Okay, so far so good. Next thing I want to do is I'm going to come over on this side and hit set ROI. And then I'm going to cone down to the L spline. See how I did that there? That's pretty
That's
good.
brave coning.
Great coning.
Brave.
Okay, so now, once I got all that done, reconstruct.
So you have to do a soft tissue then a bone.
Exactly, I would do them ahead of time too. So you would just change this to, or I'm sorry, you can actually do this. I don't know if you guys knew this or not, but this spine is actually soft tissue, not bone. So I would use spine, thoracolumbar, reconstruct. Any other questions about raw data? Oh, I know it. I'm going to just take a quick divergence here, and I'm going to show you guys play in reverse. In play in reverse, we can actually play back our real-time scan. So who is the one with the Staken?
Yes.
Now, you guys all know now that that's scouts. This is your sure start line. This is Sure Start. Look at the DY mode, dynamic mode. So scanning a bunch of times without any table movement, that's what a dynamic scan is. So I'm going to hit OK. Then I'm going to hit OK here on this. And we have 6 seconds of actual Sure Start time. So I'm going to hit play in reverse. It gets rid of the box and gives you VCR buttons. And now we can play it back.
Oh, that's
And
cool.
there's the blush. Good check.
Yay.
Hey, Luke's on it earlier,
Yeah, Ray, Gary wanted to find out if there's a way to, put this on top of his PAX system.
Or save this to where we could always, anybody new, we could show them this is
Yeah, that's good.
where to start for a carotid.